So here we are at the magnificent Blizzard Beach. Oh my gosh. Just went on. What was it called?
Sunset Plunge.
Loved it. Blast. Still shaking. Butts hurting. Still fun.
Big drop going up! That's at the end, sorry. I'm going backwards, what's happening? Let's go backwards. Oh my god! I don't want to going backwards! Big drop! Oh my god! Oh, I like that. Big drop, big drop! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Running. Oh, okay, never mind. So as you all know, eating water parks and parks is very expensive. So this is how you do it. You get food and you eat it. Yep. We'll spend $10 on a burger. Bring the PB&J.
I'm assuming that's out. Are you both? Get set,
For your recommendation for your trip to Blizzard Beach, we highly recommend the mini donut stand at Jeffrey's Coffee.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Hands down. Look at these things. Look at this. White chocolate sauce. Look at that. Mmm. Alright, so after 3 hours of intense riding and water splashing, we finished off our day. Thumbs up?